Thank you. In Poland, we have a huge problem. 48,000 people die every year because of bad quality of the air. Every year. So it's like 10% of population of The Hague every year. That's the reason that we are acting, and we are going to reduce CO2 emission, and we are going to produce smart solar benches. Actually, we already do it, and we already sold 100 of them. Those benches, you can see one of them here, are charging mobile phones. They have free hotspot inside. So while you are charging this mobile phone, they are sending you a message on how much CO2 has been reduced while you've been using the solar bench. So we are trying to educate people on how it works, how renewable sources work. And this is not only a Polish problem, a European problem, it's a global problem. And we are meeting a lot of authorities across Poland, recently, Sweden, and they inspire us to create new products. I'll just tell you a story. In Warsaw, they asked me, Artur, can you deliver a trash can that will be designed to fit the bench? And I said, of course I can. I will deliver you an eco-friendly trash can that will fit the bench. I came back to the office and I talked to my partner. Peter, I've just sold an eco-friendly trash can. And he said, but we don't have one. I said, yes, but you are going to design it? But what does it actually mean, eco-friendly trash can? I don't know, I am a sales guy, a marketing guy. You have to figure out. It's great. I will see you in a couple of days. And this is what he showed me, an eco-friendly trash can that is monitoring the level of the trash. When it's empty, it has a green light. When it's full, it has a red light. And what is most important, it's sending the information to the city authorities. So you can predict where to empty the trash can. And it, of course, fits by design the bench. And in the future, we are going to use artificial intelligence to help those people to work more efficient, to empty the trash cans, which are actually full. And we were approaching different other problems that cities were facing. We invented, for example, an info kiosks. And it's also charging mobile phones, giving the Wi-Fi, and it's for informing people about CO2 emission. And it fits another smart bench that we produce. But the big thing that we are working at the moment on are the solar bus stops. You know, the bus stops, they have a huge roof, so they take a lot of energy that we can use in different ways. So they might support the lighting during the night. They are charging mobile phones. People can charge mobile phones on the bus stops. We have free Wi-Fi there, paper screens that are used as timetables. And you can change them remotely. And in the future, there will be a place for 5G transmitters as well. But what is the most exciting here in that bus stop is that we are going to implement an air purifier within the bench. So we will create like fresh air bubble to promote people, actually to award people who uses the public transportation and to make them feel the difference between fresh and polluted air. And at the moment, we are also changing the materials from steel to recyclable materials that are using for the bench, for all our products. And we'll be using old textiles and electronic rubbish to create the products that we are offering. So we created this ecosystem for smart cities of different pieces. And imagine that just one bench charges 15,000 phones, educates at least 15,000 people. And one small SEEDia ecosystem with 10 bus stops, 20 benches, and 10 trash cans is going to reduce the CO2 by 51 tons every year. So hundreds of such ecosystems are going to reduce 15 tons of CO2 per day, is as much as 420,000 diesel cars emit CO2 during the day. If you like the story and you would like to join our movement, please contact us. We want to change the air. We want to make it breathable again. Thank you very much.